Hi everyone! There has been some confusion about the editing self-selected auto-graded MindTap activities, so this is a quick explanation to help everyone hopefully understand it better. So when you look at our main home page in Canvas, here's the 6.9 self-selected auto-graded MindTap activities. Each one of these links is one of the major categories that you can choose from. And if we look in the 6.9 task area, you'll see each of those categories listed here. These are the same categories that are on the main page of Canvas. And within this overall category, these are the activities you can choose from. So for style, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different activities. You can choose any one of those activities or two of those activities. Under fragments, these are the activities, and you can choose one or two of those activities. All you need to do is choose 2 activities total. So you could choose one activity from style, for instance, and one activity from fragments, for instance. Or you could choose 2 activities from the same category. Once you get into an activity, for instance, if I choose word use in style, there might be several questions within word use, and I need to complete all of those questions in order to complete that activity. So let's take a quick look at that. We'll go back to the main page. I'm going to click into style, and it takes just a minute, as you know, for the ebook or for MindTap to load. So here we are now in style, and as I said, each one of these is an activity. So once I click into word use, that's one activity, and I'll complete all of the questions that are under word use. So let me click into word use just to show you. So under word use, there are 6 questions, so I'll need to complete all 6 of these questions to complete this activity of word use. And other activities might have just 1 question or 2 questions, but you do need to complete each of these within the activity to complete that activity. So I hope that helps explain it. I know this has been kind of confusing. I apologize for that, and I hope this helps.